Welcome. I'll be walking you through how to add custom fields in SalesJunction. SalesJunction makes it easy to add new data fields to your page. Better yet, you can control the ability to view, edit, or add data depending on your needs. For our example, let's assume you decided that for every account you now want to track the date the company was founded. Before we start, it is important to know that you need to have the appropriate security settings. In fact, you must be designated as a system administrator with full access to the setup area. If you qualify, click on the setup link. Next, click the customizable settings area. Then click on custom account fields. This is where you will add a new field to the database. To add a new field, click on the new button. At the top, enter the name of the field you want to add to the database. This field cannot contain any special characters or spaces. We will use the name founding date for our example. Next, we will choose the type of field desired. Since we want to track a date, we'll choose the date field option. Selecting the date option will automatically place a small calendar icon next to this field when used in SalesJunction. Now all we have to do is add a label, next to the description, then click Finish. If you want, you can continue to add more custom fields. Once you have finished adding your fields, click on the Regenerate DB button, as it is indicated by the large red letters. This will add your fields to your SalesJunction database for future use. Next, you will receive a summary of the actions you are about to take. Click Apply. After the request has finished processing, you will receive the above message. Read to ensure everything has completed as expected, then click Finish. As you can see, your new field has been added to your SalesJunction database. Your new field is also now available in your Account View section. Let's add your new field to an account view. Go to Account Views and select a view. For this example, we will go to My Accounts. To add our new field to our view, click on the Columns link while in the desired view. Now find the new field. Usually custom fields are toward the bottom of the list. Once you find it, click on the field and the arrow pointing to the right box. You can also change the order of the columns in your view if you wish to do so. Then click Change. As you can see, your new field has been added to the view. You will also notice the field has no values. Since some companies either import data using SalesJunction's web APIs to automatically add data, they sometimes do not want this data modified by users. They may choose to only make this new field available only on a view, or may add to the account display and/or edit pages. For our example, we will add our new field to both the account display and edit pages. To do this, click on Setup. Click on the Customizable Settings section and then Detail and Edit Pages. Since we are adding our new field to the account pages, click first on Edit Accounts next to the User-Defined Display Pages. Unless you are redesigning the entire page, you will find it easy to just add a row for your new field, which is what we will do for our example. Just determine where you want to add your row and then click on the Insert Row below Control. An empty row for your custom field will be created. In the row created, you can insert your custom field by first placing your pointer in the desired location and clicking on the cell. Next, click on the Insert Field drop-down. Find your field and select. Now you can add a label to better describe your field. SalesJunction gives you the flexibility to make this label different than the database label. Before we leave this page, let's look behind the scenes. If you click on the HTML tab at the bottom, you will see the code behind the page you've modified. If desired, you or someone else can create a custom web page in HTML and then paste it into your SalesJunction page. This gives you unlimited flexibility in how you want your site to look and feel. Now exit and save page. Now let's look at the display page we just modified. Just click on an account name in the view you've added the field to. You'll see the custom field is exactly where you placed it. Since we want to let users add or change this date, let's add it to the edit page using the same tools we used to add it to the display page. Go to Setup and select Customizable Settings and Detail and Edit Pages. This time, click Edit Accounts next to User-Defined Edit Pages. Follow the same steps you did earlier. And click Save Page and Exit Setup. Now, if we click on the edit link for this page, your custom field can be used by just clicking on the calendar icon, selecting a date, and clicking on Finish. Now you can see the date for your custom data field has been added. Let's go back and take a look at the view we modified earlier. As you can see, our data is also available in the view. Your new custom field is also available for inclusion in filters, sorting, and columns to create even more custom dashboard views. Be sure to view our tutorial on creating views and using filters. If you need further assistance, please contact us at support@salesjunction.com.